We have been searching for our perfect ski resort in Colorado. A ski resort that isn't crowded and the lines aren't too long, where I won't accidentally end up on a black diamond or some other type of obstacle course. One where it's laid back and chill, where fancy ski attire isn't required and it's not about how you look, but rather enjoying skiing. And the resort must look like a Hallmark movie. Impossible, you say? Well, we found it. Copper Mountain Ski Resort. We are on our way to Copper Mountain Resort. We are going to do some skiing, and it is one of our favorite places. The Rocky Mountains are so beautiful. It never gets old. It just feels like coming home. Copper Mountain is located an hour and a half west of Denver, about 5 minutes outside of the cutest little town called Frisco. We don't usually stay right on the mountain.
But this time we are actually staying on the mountain in the center village, right next to the two main ski lifts.
We got a great last minute deal and the condo was pretty small and we had some concerns that you'll see in a minute.
The condo had a small kitchen with a table for 4,
A gas burning fireplace,
a breakfast nook,
little area to sit down, and a nice living room.
an upstairs loft with a bedroom.
And it also had a bathroom and a shower upstairs.
This is gonna be interesting because there's not really beds for the other folks. There's for Kevin and I, but the others are down here, kind of right out in the living room. One right here, out in the living room. Okay, so this is a little place. And we got a good little kitchen here. It's a little cute. It's right with the ski slopes right here. It's gonna be a little bit though, like the rescue wagon, because I'm not sure how we all sleep. The upstairs is just one bed for Dad and I. What? So here is one bed. What? This right here, I'm gonna assume this is bed number 2. Look how close we are. You guys, we can see the. We can see the. You can see the half.
This is worth it to be right here. It'll be an adventure, but everyone has to keep their stuff cleaned up.
So as you can see, here is the room from a bird's eye view. Taylor and Eric are going to sleep right, show them where. Right there. Kenzie is going to sleep right there.
And I'll show you where Sean.
And Sean is going to sleep right there.
Put on a cot.
It's kind of like camping.
And baby.
Honestly, we seriously are so close to the slope that it just makes everything else kind of fade into the background. There are several places to park here. There's one free parking lot, the Alpine parking lot. The other places, you're gonna just need to know that it's gonna be about $40 a day, and you might have to get there early just to get a spot. We are on our first lift of the season and our first run. We're on the Kokomo Express. So at Copper Mountain, did you know, Kevin, that there are actually 24 lifts?
No, I did not know that.
This bot has only been on 6 of them. And will not probably, you need to pull it up. Will not probably hit any others. Just because I'm a cautious skier.
She's a cautious skier.
So I just gave Sean a lesson. I'm so proud that I was able to give a lesson to someone. But the best person to give a lesson is somebody who experienced not knowing how to ski for a great deal of time. And is very cautious. That's me. So here we go.
I'm just a pack mule who carries all the gear.
And he's like super good at skiing.
I don't know about
and he
that.
can fly all over the place. So he sticks around with me out of pity.
Out of love.
There are 150 trails at Copper Mountain Resort, and the longest run is 1.7 miles. You definitely have the burn by the time you get down. The thing I love the most about it is that I don't accidentally end up on a black diamond because the way the mountain is set up, it's really easy. It starts with green, and then from right to left, if you're facing the mountain, you go from green to a little more difficult green runs to blue runs and then to black diamond. So you don't end up on a hill or a mountain or trail that you didn't intend to end up on. That's my very favorite part. It's very easy to navigate.
Right now, we are officially in the Center Village. And the Center Village has several restaurants and shops. It is kind of the main hub, and that's where our condo is too.
People ask me what my secret is, I just smile and say, follow me.
Here is the cutest dog ever.
Life's too short not to really live, I got a big heart, I can let you in.
We've been skiing all morning and afternoon at the green, on the green slope. So now we have a surprise. We're going to Sugar Lips Donuts.
On top of the world. People ask me what my secret is, I just smile and say, live for today. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the sun.
I'll just take a bite of whatever you have.
See it in a whole new way. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. On top of the world. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world.
This is the Oreo and vanilla sauce.
So what we have here is we have chocolate, caramel, and peanuts, and then we also have maple bacon. So I'm gonna go in with the chocolate, caramel, and peanuts right now. Very soft. And then you have that chocolate sauce on there that brings forth a little bit of sweetness. But the peanuts give it just an extra depth of crunch. That's incredible. All right, so now I'm gonna go in for the maple bacon. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of like the most amazing pancakes, and the bacon adds this layer of crispiness and saltiness that bring it all together. We did the powdered sugar and the cinnamon sugar. Delicious.
One of the things and activities that they have here as well is a little ice rink with the pond.
Downhill Dukes is one of our very favorite places to eat in the Center Village. It's located between the American Flyer ski lift and the American Eagle ski lift. Its south-facing patio gives you the perfect spot to relax, get a hot or cold beverage, some good food, and watch the skiers race down the hill. We do not come to Copper Mountain without ordering one of Downhill Duke's Best in Show burgers. I highly recommend that you try it. It is 7 ounces of Colorado natural Angus beef grilled to perfection with this really smoky flavor. Cheddar cheese, pecan wood smoked bacon, smothered in Thousand Island dressing, lettuce, tomato, onion, all on a perfectly toasted brioche bun. It is so delicious. Make sure you get one. They also have some great appetizers too, like the pretzel bites served with queso and horseradish honey grain mustard. I highly recommend you stop at Downhill Dukes if you're at the Copper Mountain Resort.
Best burger ever. There's not as much in the East Village, but the JJ's Tavern was fabulous. I would go again. The food was really good. And there's a shop there and places to rent skis, and the tubing stuff is there as well.
The West Village is where the main beginner green runs are located. Ski and snowboard lessons take place here as well. There is a cafeteria style food court, a small shop, and ski rentals available. In addition, the snowshoe trail and cross-country ski trails are located off of the West Village as well. Woodward Copper offers year-round skiing and snowboarding on real Colorado snow, plus a 19,400 square foot indoor facility called The Barn with skate parks, Olympic-grade trampolines, foam pit jumps, indoor ski and snowboard training, and more.
So we are now headed to the athletic center because they have a hot tub and a pool, and our muscles need a break.
Awesome. So $11.20 per person.
We found an angel tonight at Copper Mountain.
It's so deep.
Yeah, take her hand. Take her hand.
That's my first real deal snow angel, and I'm very proud.
Very proud.
Did it feel good?
The trust fall was a little scary, but gotta trust the powder.
Copper Mountain. Everybody, what'd you think?
It was awesome.
It was amazing.
It was a great time.
So sad we have to go home. Next year. See you again.
Do it again.
Be free.
Be free.
Free. Ignore the voice you hear behind me. I'm so sad we have to go home.
Well, not yet. We're going to Denver first.
This is a separate video.